So guys, if you want to change your language in Microsoft Word back to English, for the first step, once you're in a Microsoft Word document, you want to click on File in the top left. Now you want to click on Options in the bottom left. Now you want to select Language. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Add a Language. Now you want to find the language that you want to add. So if you want to add English or any language that you want, you should want to scroll down, look for your language. I already have English, so I'm just going to be adding French, for example. And then click on Install. And then click on OK. Wait for this to load. Okay guys, so this will take a while, so I'm just going to tell you what's going to happen. So this will be fully completed. It will then relaunch Microsoft Word for you. So once this is done, it's going to close out of Word automatically, then it's going to relaunch, and then your language will be changed for you. If you already have English installed, then you want to head back into the options and then go to language. So let's say that I want English United States to be my main language displayed on Microsoft Word. You want to move this to the top. So you want to move the language, which for you is probably going to be English, that you want to be displayed as the main language. You want to move that to the top of the list. So you want to click on it, click on move up, in my case move up again. Now it's on the top of the list, and now buttons, menus and other controls will now be shown in this first language that I've selected. Then you want to click on OK. Now you want to restart Office, so click on OK, it will then restart, and then you should be good to go.